Having regard to the definition contained in section 2 within bracket 30, it was urged that the High Court was in error in foisting the liability on the appellant who is not the registered owner of the vehicle full stop. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant submitted that the position has been clarified by holding that where, notwithstanding the sale of a vehicle, neither the transferor nor the transferee have taken any step for change in the name of owner in the certificate of registration. The person in whose name the registration stands must be deemed to continue as the owner of the vehicle for the purposes of the Act full stop stanza. On the other hand, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the first respondent supported the judgment of the tribunal by submitting that the appellant as the person in physical possession and control of the vehicle was liable full stop. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the first respondent also relied on the decisions of this court full stop. Stanza evidently, Parliament while enacting the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988 made a specific change by recasting the earlier definition full stop. Section 2 within bracket 19 of the earlier act stipulated that where a person in possession of a motor vehicle is a minor, the guardian of the minor would be the owner, and where the motor vehicle was subject to a hire purchase agreement, the person in possession of the vehicle under the agreement would be the owner full stop stanza. The Act of 1988 has provided in the first part of section 2 within bracket 30 that the owner would be the person in whose name the motor vehicle stands registered full stop. Where such a person is a minor, the guardian of the minor would be the owner full stop. In relation to a motor vehicle which is the subject of an agreement of hire purchase, lease or hypothecation, the person in possession of the vehicle under that agreement would be the owner full stop. The latter part of the definition is in the nature of an exception which applies where the motor vehicle is the subject of a hire purchase agreement or of an agreement of lease or hypothecation full stop. Otherwise, the definition stipulates that for the purposes of the act, the person in whose name the motor vehicle stands registered is treated as the owner full stop stanza. The same analogy was drawn to hold that where the vehicle had been requisitioned ? It was the state and not the registered owner who had possession and control and would hence be held liable to compensate full stop. Purnia Kala Devi does not hold that a person who transfers the vehicle to another but continues to be the registered owner under section 2 within bracket 30 in the records of the registering authority is absolved of liability. Stop.